These are Almond Joy Bites, and I'm going to show you how to get that coconut center to actually hold with a few simple ingredients. If you've ever made these with condensed milk, you know they taste great, but they fall apart. This version fixes that. Same flavor, better structure, and way easier to work with. Okay, let's get started. Combine 1.5 cups unsweetened shredded coconut, 3 tablespoons of allulose syrup. This helps everything bind together. 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Mix until it's sticky and holds together when you press it. If it feels too wet or loose, just add a little more coconut. I ran some through a food processor to get a finer texture, and that really helped a lot. Melt 1.5 cups of chocolate chips in the microwave in short 20 to 30 second bursts, stirring in between. Spoon the melted chocolate into your molds, making sure to coat the bottom and sides. And just a note, these molds are bigger because my husband likes these, so your size and yield will depend on what you're using. Pop them into the fridge for about 10 minutes to set. Once the chocolate is firm, add your coconut mixture and press it in really well. This step matters. Packing it tightly helps everything hold together cleanly. Add an almond on top and press it in slightly. Then repeat until all the cavities are filled. Finish by covering the tops with more melted chocolate to seal everything in. Let these chill for about 20 to 30 minutes until fully set. I've always loved Almond Joys, to the point where I'd sneak a few out of my daughter's Halloween stash. I'm not proud of it, but also sure I'm not the only one. Let me know in the comments if you are Team Almond Joy or Team Mounds. Bonus points if you can remember the jingle. These turned out really nice, but let's see how they taste. Oh yeah, these are good. These are simple enough to make, and because we use allulose and sugar-free chocolate chips, this keeps the sugar down and you can enjoy one or two without the sugar crash. I'll link the full recipe in the description. If you love coconut recipes, you might enjoy my latest ice cream flavor, Piña Colada. It tastes like summer in a bowl. You can check it out here. If you like smarter versions of classic desserts with better ingredients, subscribe. I post new recipes every week.